Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Big changes confirmed. Samsung will not release the Galaxy Z Fold8 Wide, but will instead introduce the Z Fold8 and Z Fold8 Ultra. This was confirmed by a very reputable leaker. According to a well-known insider, Samsung will not be releasing a Galaxy Z Fold8 Wide this year. The manufacturer has decided against using such a strange name. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Samsung may rename the Galaxy Z Fold8 and change the structure of its foldable Galaxy smartphone lineup. Updates may affect not only the characteristics of devices, but also their names and positioning within the series. Samsung's next-generation foldable smartphone may arrive with simpler names than previously expected. According to a new leak from Ice Universe, the company could be dropping the confusing wide and large branding that had been floating around recent rumors for the Galaxy Z Fold8 lineup. Instead, the device previously rumored as the Galaxy Z Fold8 Wide may launch simply as the Galaxy Z Fold8, while the higher-end model could reportedly debut as the Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra. If accurate, the change would make Samsung's foldable lineup much easier to understand. Names like Z Fold8 Wide and Galaxy Z Wide Fold have appeared in leaks over the past few months, but many people felt the branding sounded awkward and unnecessarily complicated. Instead, the Galaxy Z Fold8 and Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra will be unveiled this summer. The standard Galaxy Z Fold8 will feature a 4800 mAh battery and a dual rear camera. The telephoto lens will be dropped this time around. The Galaxy Z Fold8 Ultra will feature a 5000 mAh battery and a flagship triple camera setup. Both smartphones will be powered by the top-of-the-line Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and feature improved flexible panels. They will likely run Android 17 with One UI 9 out of the box. Both versions, according to leaks, will feature an updated front-facing camera integrated into the outer display. The module is reportedly smaller than previous generations of devices. A similar solution is expected to be used in the upcoming Galaxy S27 series. A possible competitor strategy is also mentioned. Rumors suggest that the foldable iPhone, which could launch alongside the iPhone 18 Pro series, will be called the iPhone Ultra instead of the Fold variant. Samsung is widely expected to unveil the new foldables during its usual Summer Galaxy Unpacked event in July 2026. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.